you're not, we think we have a pretty great opportunity to be able to bring the internet to you at no charge. So with that, I want to introduce my coworker Levon, who's going to talk with you about the opportunity that already exists at Crooked Creek today. And then we also are going to introduce one of our partner organizations in Kansas City, Connecting for Good. And they bring a different level of service beyond the internet connectivity. So first, to Levon to talk about Google Fiber service.
Thank you, Rachel. My name is Levon. I'm an account manager with Google Fiber, this property specifically, and then other properties here in Kansas City. So we're doing the promotional holiday event internet, which gets you free internet without the $10 sign-up that we normally charge. It's fantastic. We bring out a router for you, installation is free. So we basically run your phone, your data, everything off of it. It's a fantastic opportunity that we're doing right now. We also have, if you're interested, they give you internet, $70 a month, super fast internet, and then that same internet with TV for $130. If you have any questions about that, but feel free to ask them.
So what Rick does with his organization is they're the digital literacy skills builder. What we know about getting online for the first time is it's great if you have access to the internet, but you have to know what to do with it to be able to be truly successful online. So we're fortunate in Kansas City to have an organization like Connecting for Good that provides wonderful resources to help people really learn to leverage the power of being online. And hopefully as we get you online in your homes, you might find Rick's services to be useful.
Yeah. Good afternoon, and thanks, Rachel. So as she said, I'm Rick Dean. I'm one of the founders of a nonprofit called Connecting for Good. We're based here in Kansas City and about to go nationwide, but that's we're still here. We founded here. We've been here for 3 years now. And what we do is we teach computer class. We teach people how to use the internet. We do what we call digital on-ramping. So we'll start with a diagram of a keyboard, explaining what each of the keys do, and we will teach you everything from that up to how to send an email. We call that the digital on-ramp. We kind of believe that once you get to that point, you're going to be able to figure out, you're going to know enough about how to use the internet to be able to learn how to do everything else that you want to do to learn Facebook and all that kind of stuff. So we operate 2 different labs in Kansas City where we teach those classes. So if you're out and about and mobile and want to come, we have those classes. We have 5 classes a week currently offered at those places. Or if there's enough interest, we can schedule, we have a mobile app that we can bring out. And so if there was enough people to sign up, we could bring a lab into this room, working with the property managers and teach classes right here on site. And if it didn't work here, I know they don't want to stay late. And, so I don't blame them, but if that doesn't work, I understand that there's a library not far from here. We could work with them to go there. We have a lot of options open to us. As long as we have Wi-Fi available, we can teach a class pretty much anywhere. In fact, it might be, next summer maybe we'll do it out on the lawn.
Computer pool party.
Yes, maybe not at the pool, but anyway, we can do all of that. So we're just here trying to, and there's no requirements for our classes. Anybody is welcome to come and take our classes. And then if you meet income requirements, so if you need help with the equipment, we can help with that. If you don't meet our income requirements, we know other places we can help you find the right equipment at an affordable price. And so, yeah, knowledge, access, and equipment is what we're all about. And you guys got one of those already.
Thanks, Rick. So with that, we want to invite you, please enjoy some food, enjoy whatever you like, if you want others' company. But also, just to make sure that we're clear, we are prepared today to help each and every one of you turn on that Google Fiber connection that's already built into your unit. It's our basic speed, and for today's event, we are offering that at no sign-up fee. All you have to do is talk to Levon or one of his other associates in the Google Fiber t-shirts, they'll create an account for you, and then we'll work out a time to get in and get everything hooked up for you so that that internet is up and running. Yes! I love that excitement. Just in time, so if you're thinking about picking up something that you might want to connect to the internet around the holidays, this is a wonderful time to get that going. If you have family coming to visit, let's get that internet turned on. So please, again, see anybody in the Google Fiber shirts. Talk to Rick if you're interested in learning more about Connecting for Good services. If you want to work with him to try to bring a computer class here to your nearby library. And also for any of you that might happen to be residents through the Housing Authority here in Kansas City that are staying here, I just want to point out my friend Kelvin is here, and we're going to be working with HAKC to scale this program to units all over the city that in partnership with the Housing Authority. So we're so pleased to be able to offer that. It's really our goal with Google Fiber to be inclusive and thinking about how all of our neighbors can benefit from this wonderful internet revolution that we live in today. So thank you for coming. Enjoy the event, and we'll be here till 5:30.
All right.
Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you.